Happy Thursday, guys, and happy last day of the week. I realized that on Tuesday's video I got really confused about when you were finishing your good copy. I got confused because I forgot that tomorrow is a PD day. So we're gonna finish our good copy today. We're gonna do one other thing and we're gonna do cursive. So today's sort of a three-parter. Let's start with cursive and then I'll talk a little bit about good copy and your picture. So in cursive today, we're gonna be doing the letter F. Now, luckily for you guys, you've already done T, and T and F, at least for uppercase, are almost the same. So let's review what T looks like. We are gonna start with that little J loop right at the top. So we're starting as if we're doing a J, and bring it into a loop, then you just kind of come down and back up. It's like a little wave, or like a little dish. It doesn't have to be like this big wiggly line. And then you're going to go to the middle of the line and draw a giant J. Then you're just going to do a little tick into the inside. This is a T. And now we're going to turn it into an F, okay? Are you watching? This is super complicated. So like eyes glued to the screen now. If your brother or sister is bugging you, just say, wait, this is the most important part, okay? Are you watching? Okay. Did you see that? Oh, I don't know. That's really, don't cry. I'm sorry that it is such a complicated one, but you are gonna be okay today. Okay, so obviously I'm just being ridiculous. It's a T with like a teeny little line. This is how we do an uppercase F. So, once again, you're doing the little J loop, and then just down and up. Giant J, little tick, and cross it. Perfect. Lowercase f is where you're actually going to have a little more issue today. The directions that you go are super important today. So pay really close attention to that, both now and then when you're writing. I want you to draw the arrows and make sure that they match the arrows I have shown you. It's so important. So F starts like an L. It's a nice tall letter. We're going to go up to the top line. We're going to come down in a loop. But when we get to about where the line is, where we would stop, we're not going to stop. Lowercase f is really interesting because it is a tall letter that also goes down into the basement, which is not something that we're used to seeing. So you're going to just keep bringing this line straight down until you get to the bottom. And then you're gonna go this way to make a loop at the bottom. You're gonna bring it back up to the top, kind of right around the same spot. It looks like a big bow. And then you're gonna come out, okay? It looks like a giant, beautiful bow. Let's do another one, okay? So let's really track the direction. So we're starting with an L, which means that at the top we're going this way, come all the way down to the bottom and go this way. Okay, so this side is like a straight line. This side is like a B almost. Not really. It shouldn't look super fat, okay? This. I mean, sure, it's technically an F, but it does not look like an F. So please don't make your Fs like that. Also, size matters, right? This might look beautiful. It is not an F. Okay, it needs to be tall and below the line. So that is your cursive for today. Second part, you're going to finish your good copy. So whether you are typing it or writing it by hand, today is the day to finish doing that work. You are going to be handing it in, I'm going to say next week. I'm not going to make you hand it in right now, just because maybe you need the weekend to just finish up a couple of things, and that's okay. The third thing that you're going to do today, though, is at the bottom of your good copy, you are going to draw a picture. And you get to decide what that picture is of, but it has to relate to something in your nonfiction book, okay? If your nonfiction book is about ballet, you're probably not going to do a picture of a lamp and some muddy boots. I mean, maybe you will. I don't know. Maybe that's a ballet term or something. I don't know. Amelia could tell me. But your picture, if you're doing ballet, for example, maybe your picture is of a bar and ballet shoes or a ballerina, like something that actually makes sense. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw your picture, and I would actually like you to take a ruler or a straight edge. If you don't have a ruler at home, grab a hardcover book and use that as a ruler. You do not need to have a ruler to have a straight edge. You're gonna use a ruler though, or a straight edge, to draw a box on your page, and you're gonna put your picture in the box. Your box will look nicer than my box. So here's your picture. It's really nice. Here's my people. That's my beautiful picture. Now you're also going to do a caption. Remember what a caption is? A caption is the words that go under a picture that describe what is in the picture. So you can even draw another little box under it if you want. There doesn't have to be a box. And then you're gonna write, this shows the common equipment needed to play lacrosse. Or this picture shows some important characters in the video game. Excuse me. So you're going to do a picture, but you also have to do a caption. All right, cursive, good copy, picture with a caption. If you don't finish it today, I mean, tomorrow's PD day. I'd love for you to have no work tomorrow, but it is not the end of the world if you need to do a little tiny catch up tomorrow. So off you go, have fun, and have an awesome weekend. Oh, and some of you sent in Formal Friday pictures, so today's not Friday, Formal Thursday pictures. Here are the pictures that I have got.